Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button. We'll love you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We'll love you. If you like our content, please do well to drop us a smiley emoji or a love emoji. Like I said, welcome back to the channel. So on this video today, I want to be talking about how to make money using your Facebook account. You understand? I'm supposed to use my video to explain more, but I just want you guys to see my face and I will explain, the theory part, and then I'll create another video. In order not to make this video too long, I'll create another video for the practical part. You understand? Now, on Facebook, you can make money. You can make money by converting your Facebook profile to a page. Now, if you don't want to convert your Facebook profile to a page, you can create a Facebook page. They are all free to create. You can go online, browse how to create a Facebook page. And you can as well go online and browse how to convert your profile, your Facebook profile, to a Facebook page. Now, that is the first step to making money on Facebook. You understand? That is the first step to making money on Facebook. Now, on Facebook as well, you can make money with Facebook Shorts. I'm not talking about those that will come and repost TikTok Shorts. You understand? Now, TikTok has come to stay. It has come to stay with a lot of views every month. In fact, it is one of the most places where people visit online. So, and for Facebook to compete with TikTok, it realizes that it has to create its own short format. You understand? TikTok is all about creating shorts, right? So for Facebook to create I want people to stay on my platform, this and that, they have to also create their own form of entertainment, which is their own form of shorts, because they've also realized that people love shorts a lot. You understand? They've realized that people love shorts a lot. So they started creating their own segment for reels. They've created their own segment for reels. Now, if you have a Facebook page, you can get monetized by creating reels. That's, I think, a minute or a minute plus videos. You understand? Now, some people will always complain about the fact that if they create reels, it doesn't get to people, like it doesn't reach the way they want it. You understand? Now, you can remix a reel. Now, this is a trick I want to talk about. You get a trending Facebook reel. You understand? Under the reels format or the shorts format. Short are small videos, or short or reels. They are short videos, maybe like 30 seconds, a minute videos on Facebook. Those ones that you pop into on Facebook that doesn't take more than a minute. Those are short or reels. You understand? So now, if you are bothered about, even if I start creating this reel, how will I make it fast on this reel, on this Facebook? Like, how will my video go viral? You can remix a trending reel, a trending short, or a trending reel. You can remix it. Look for a reel of maybe like 4.6 million views, or 4.5, or a million view, or 900,000 views, or 350,000 views. You understand? Now remix that reel or short. As long as that reel or short is trending, you understand, your own remix will be the next trending thing on that. That is how a lot of people beat YouTube or Facebook algorithm. You understand? As long as that particular viral shot is trending, you can also remix it, and your own video, it might not trend as high, as fast as that original reel, but it will trend. Now, if you can create at least 10 reels in a day for 30 days or more, for 30 days, if you don't get 100,000 views, I don't know what else. I don't know what else to tell you. But this is what is trending. This is a trick I'm disclosing now. That's why I'm doing this video. See, because I want to talk about the theory aspect. Now, for you to get monetized on any platform, be it YouTube, Facebook, or any platform, They have their, their rules and regulations, their, their threshold, or what, or their criteria. Let me use criteria that you will meet. You understand? Criteria that you will meet. Now, YouTube short, Facebook shorts, sorry guys, Facebook shorts or reels. The reason why I'm saying it is, the reason why I said it is fast way to make money is because, even in fact, you don't need to have a lot of followers. I think even if you have two 10 followers, as long as you have up to 100,000 views in 2 months, I think in 2 months or a month or so, you can get monetized. You can start earning money from their ads. Now, the only way you earn money is if they place ads in your reel. They'll place ad in your reel. So once you're getting views, you're getting money. Now, unlike the way YouTube pays you, that okay, I think their own money is quite higher than YouTube money. You understand? What YouTube pays you. Facebook money is higher than what YouTube pays you. So you can up on Facebook Reels and start making money, or up on creating Facebook page. You can create a page that is based on Reels alone. And you can create a page that is based on maybe 3 minute videos. You understand? 3 minute videos. That is if you want to get your Facebook page itself, the page monetized in form of a page. You understand? But if you want to get your Facebook monetized in form of a reel, I think it's just 100,000 views. But if it's getting it monetized in form of a page, I think it is 600,000 watch minutes. The one that YouTube has 4,000 watch hours. This one has 600,000 watch minutes. So now this is a trick that I know that you can use to go viral. And if you probably, you can, opt in to, start commenting on people's posts, people's reels, this and that, but that one, a lot of people see it as spamming. So that is why I don't advise it. But for Facebook, you have the option of remix. So once you remix a viral video, you'll be going viral. It might not be instantly, but it will be a gradual process which will actually work out. So guys, if you're the type that spend maybe like 5 hours on Facebook or 7 hours on Facebook, you can opt in on that and start making money as well. So like I said, look for a means that works well for you on this online street. You understand? Because what works for Mr. A might not work for Mr. B. Or the way Mr. A will make money from this particular thing, Mr. B might not be able to make money from it like that. And it is not only even on the online streets. It happens even in physical businesses as well. So it happens everywhere. So guys, I would like you to subscribe to our channel. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't liked our video, please do what to like it. Drop us an emoji, either a love emoji or a smiley emoji. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.